Good morning. I'm doing my science experiment right now. And here's my plant. Today I'm going to do a Q&A. I choose to grow radishes. Both of my cups are radishes because my carrot didn't sprout. The roots even grow faster than the leaves. As you can see, the roots are already on the bottom of the cup. I'm amazed by the power of plants. I put half of soil and half of manure in it, and I water it 2 to 3 times a week. Both of my cups are the same, except I spread the seeds averagely on this cup, and another cup I put all the seeds in one side. I guess this one will grow faster. You really have to take care of it and treat it as a child. If you didn't water it, the stems will have no support. For the deeper thinking, I'm surprised by the power of nature. Humans can destroy many plants, but the nature can fix it even faster.